Kick back this Christmas season with our cozy homeway essentials, from stylish lounge suites to quality sleep support. You'll find unbeatable deals on these home updates in our latest catalog until 26 December 2025. Don't miss out on the biggest savings of the season. Shop online or in-store at OK Furniture. While stocks last, T's and C's apply. It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is goodtimes.co.za. We're getting closer and closer to the African Cup of Nations. The nation awaits with expectation. Last time we were at the African Cup of Nations, we were knocked out by Nigeria in the semi-finals, and then we beat Congo on penalties to take the third place, which is a bronze medal. This time around, there is a greater weight of expectation from our people in South Africa to think that perhaps semi-final, maybe final up to that point. In this video, I'm going to ask Junior the 3 key players that he thinks are going to be very important for Bafana Bafana, and then I'm going to ask him where he thinks Bafana Bafana will land at the AFCON. Group stages, last 16, quarterfinals, or semi-finals and final. Remember, 3 teams can get out of the group. Bafana Bafana are drawn in the group with Angola, Zimbabwe, and Egypt. Junior, thank you very much for joining us. How are you? Yes, sir.
Happy Christmas.
Yes, sir. We'll spend Christmas in Morocco, me and you, and so in Jester.
Yeah, we're going to, of course.
Yeah, by that, but for the second game, only for the second game. Thanks to Old Mutual as well.
No. Thanks to you.
Oh, they're the
Justice
one
can
paying.
say as well.
Thank
The
you.
only good has been given a platform. Thanks to you chasing everybody.
Well, thanks to Old Mutual as well
All Mutual.
for paying.
I'm
Only for the second game.
Yeah, no, but it's very important.
Yeah, so that means me, you, so and Justice will spend Christmas. Mhla 25 December, we will be in Morocco.
Fethu sibonga kakhulu isoso hambulu. Thank God and our ancestors.
Nice one. Nice
Bonga
one.
ne-viewership yethu.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
support them.
100%.
Yeah.
I asked you yesterday, it's an assignment, think about 3 players that are going to be important for Bafana Bafana. Asiqale ngomdlalo wakho wokuqala. And then we'll get to the part of how far Bafana Bafana can go and what can we see. What is the first player we think is going to be important in the squad?
Yeah, first player that is going to be important in the squad is Tebogo Mokoena.
100%.
Yeah.
In fact, it's the first name on the list.
Yeah, you build a team around him. A very important player. Always consistency. He commits himself. The guy. You never had to Tebogo Mokoena. Kancane ukuthi uzwa about Tebogo Mokoena. Igame yakhe 2 days dropped and stuff. Yes. Obviously, uzoba nzima ku-Sundowns now. You single him out. Ukuthi Tebogo Mokoena is doing well because the team in ups and downs. Sundowns ngikhuluma nge-collective as a team, but evergreen, Tebogo Mokoena, give it all. The guy is dedicated. He can score goals. He can defend. He can play. I win 11, and he's improved.
And especially as you look at him, it's been Champions League, it's been League,
Yeah.
some bona footing in AFCON, the last AFCON, ukuthi akuna stage where even Olympic, through his development, there is no stage that was too big for him.
Different player compared to Mokoena lo Supersport. Yes, he was talented. There was nothing we can
could see the
question.
talent.
Yes, there was talent there, but well done to Abukwane and Gob good balbone, the talent double nature. Sundowns pick up good bamtons. But playing this Champions League year and year and winning the leagues and competing with best players, good Sundowns, being a star player, good club. Pelu inhlobo club, face a club. If we like it or not, ngikhuluma ku-Sundowns is the face of Mamelodi Sundowns. Yes, kunabo Ribeiro and stuff, but Mokoena, there's no one that you can say he will compete with him. Uqala ngaye, very important player for Bafana Bafana. And akalimali man, I love that. Very dedicated and uyambona ukuthi discipline and
Maybe that has to do with the lifestyle as well. We never hear him about any injuries.
Mfethu Nkululeko, ama-player angalimali lifestyle true, right. He rests properly. He take his job very serious, Mokoena. He take each and every coach that comes to Sundowns very serious. Bafana, he take each and every coach very serious. And yeah, well done to Mokoena. Even to maintain, I well done to the guy.
Yeah, that's one player. Let's go to your second player then, who you think is going to be important for Bafana Bafana.
Sipho Zidane Mbule.
Yeah.
Sipho
Now
Zidane.
we have woman and Zidane.
Yeah, I think well done to Hugo Bros. I think ukwazile kumbamba lapha. I
For the
think
position.
yes, nokumbiza ngale gama lokuthi Zidane, similar type of player. Lamchita naturally. It's rare to find a player efana nalo yamfana. Ngikhuluma around the country. Uphethe lengcondo ayiphethe. Yes, uyawathola ama-players spanayo. Maningi ama-players spanayo
Super
around the country.
talented.
Yes, the guy is very, very gifted. And
Let me ask you a very difficult question.
Yeah.
He's never played AFCON.
Yeah.
He's going to have to prove to people ukuthi, of course, there's levels to this.
Yeah.
He's one of the best players locally.
Yeah.
But we've never seen him go AFCON taking over at Mtwalo.
Yeah.
Do you give him that ukuthi le is going to be his tournament?
I tried out the League Champions League Sundowns coming as a sub Orlando 7 bengasabi. Imagine ahlali 2 games on the stand angadlali angekho nasebenchini okanye mhlambe 2-3 games angadlali ngikhuluma ku Betway Premiership amfaka Champions League. A very sensitive game high afika change game. Manje ngimbonile ngeNigeria. Ngikhuluma nge-World Cup qualifier.
Yeah.
I'm fit. Against who? We talk about top class individual players adlala top class league. Nigeria. Umbonile mfethu. I think kule game if not if he was not the man of the match, for me he was man of the match against Nigeria. Well done Super Bowl, one of the best talent. Ku Pirates. I know good bamdlalisa ngadlali. But masikhuluma nje iVAR. Game it doesn't deserve to sit on the bench for Bonomtechela. One of the best talent. In fact, there's no question. Yenye ngwenya le talent ne character. Ayisabanga leya. Mina omunye umuntu makabuya ku Sundowns the philosophy totally different. Philosophy going to Orlando Pirates. I find Pirates each and every game supporters come in numbers. And Usipo every time when he comes in, whether it's a sub, whatever, Usipo will do something abanye abantu abangayenzi. So it just they need to stay umchita injury free. Ngifuna spanning week rate, but week rate akusi talent into ongaspana ngayo. Very important player for Bafana Bafana. Ngicela ukumbona central man. Ngiyazi ukuthi ucoach odlala ngalesithole ekhaya become prepare for, but ngifuna ukumbona central kwaFcon. Nakuna ma 10 ngizoba ngisho very important player for Bafana.
All right, let's go to the third one before we talk about Bafana Bafana.
Yeah, Mbekezeni Mbokazi.
Yeah. What do you think? Where do you think? I know in other videos we were talking about it. I didn't want to talk about Umbokazi no Bros, nale nkulumo zaka Bros. In every video, it's gonna bore people. But do you think le nkulumo le kamqeqesha ukuthi umfana wafika late in? Do you think it's gonna affect him anyway? Confidence ukuthi le outlay ayingithembi in.
You cannot do your child manje, for instance. Ubhala ama-exam ngikhuluma ngawe nami.
Sure.
Incosi yakho ibhala ama-exam and then ingalali la endlini. Ivele ekuseni ithi baba bese studisha. With our classmate. And then uyabhala by then. Ngikhuluma nga exam, ngana matric. And then umpunish ngaleso sikhathi. You wait for the child abhala ama exam wakhe. And then you check ama results, it's when you can deal with the matter. Now psychologically can they live ngiyibonile le matter. But bake bayicheck ukuthi buya kuyiphi background lamfana. Angipromote lento ayenzile. Lento ayenzile lo mfana yilento mina engikwatisayo ukuthi busy going to this podcast isikhuluma ngathi sambisa isikhathi. They don't learn abombokazi nabo. Siphume ngaleyo nto phela to tell the truth egamini. Abombokazi abazi ukuthi makunje le anti yakudenta. But can now is very the boy played a major role kubafana bafana
the qualifiers.
Qualifiers. And also Pirates winning these 2 trophies. Ngikhuluma one of the best team in the continent. He won 2 trophies for Orlando Pirates. Bega influential umfana. At a young age, figure fit like a Clive Campbell, Orlando Pirates, a leader. Coach if umfana there's no angeke ukhona coach ukuthi you can dealing a matter now is step psychological.
Yeah, because you're going to the tournament.
You can't.
Yeah.
A very major tournament. Asikhulumi nge-tournament la ku Betway Premiership. Angiyazi ama-tournament
Sure.
South Africa.
But there's different levels.
Yes, you're going to play against international players who got strong character. Each and every one oya lapha kule tournament ufuna ukuwina. There's no one who say mina ku group stages ngifuna ukuphuma. Leave the boy now, coach. Leave the matter. Understand sekayizwile na mfana, I'm sure
Yeah, it's
ibonile.
already, unfortunately, the damage is done.
Yeah, but ibonakele, but I'm sure bake bathi leave him now. Udlala futhi also sensitive position.
Yeah.
Center back. Mabadlula kule mfana ehasha. So leave the boy, you need him. After the matter you can deal and say, listen mfana ngithi. I
don't expect you to be late all the time.
Please,
privately. Let me go back. Sorry, let me take you back to Umbokazi. Why selector when Uguti is going to be one of the key players?
One of the best talent at the early age of figure is Akabombulelo. You captain.
You can't think about this kid without thinking about.
23 years old, you captain Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, at that time it was history. At that time,
history.
Yeah.
So the boy has broke history. A close player. Of OJ, Alamfano when you level can dealing a 1v1 is a leader. He's got a strong character. He's got goals. Gonna goal for Orlando Pirates. I think it's Swelele. It's a game changing for the boy. Life changing for the boy.
Yeah, that was a ridiculous
Bafana against Nigeria. You shouting it. ama-teammate wakho kule age okuyo ukuthi man be strong uyayibona i-body language noma ngaba umuzwa mfethu Nkululeko also similar like you can rely on the ball.
You think it's going to be a long-term international? Ngoba sikade sagcina namajita abafana nabo Lucas Radebe badlala 15 years ubafana bafana isikhathi eside abo Andre Arendse people will spend 15 years at the national team. You think we're going to rely on him for a long time?
I-background yalo mfana I'm sure izompusha is going to last a longer. Mfethu lamfana lo I'm sure the background is sure it's true. I've been watching the boy ngithi ngiyambona kwezinye izinto kwamanye ama-video. You can tell ukuthi ubuya kweyiphi noma ngekho sure but you can tell ukuthi ubuya kweyiphi indawo. So umfana i-background izompusha is going to last longer international. And it's more of a stepping stone for him. The foundation. There's teams that will be there is no way they will.
It's a platform. I don't understand why Snya is like American League. It's a platform. It's a PSL because it's a platform. There's a global eye there. Messi. There's a global audience. There are other people from different countries. About Brazil and about South America. They are looking at the MLS. They are sending their players there. It's a destination. If you perform well with MLS and become one of the best defenders, maybe you can go to Europe.
Even some of the countries, leagues in the world, they don't look at our league.
Sure.
They don't even look at our league. So,
if you're doing well with PSL, I agree with you. If you're doing well with PSL, the question, good scouts will ask themselves the question. I'm reading something, scout Liverpool, even if bangathi unama assist nama goal, there's a question you've not done it at Europe in the smaller leagues. We don't trust it. Even says we don't even trust the information. But we don't know how to rate that league. You are playing with weaker players and you are dominating weaker players. So you have to go to a league where we trust. And I'm sure in America they trust that at least there are decent players there. Then if you do well there, you can go to Europe.
Yeah, the boy compliment. I mean, a
decent move. I like it.
I'm fit because the boy now is going to be exposed. And for the fact that I'm signing high, I don't, when you speak to people that played in Europe, several players, even some international coaches, scouts, meaning I'm my agent. Europe, they scout the player not only 2 games, somebody they can take 2 years. It means the boy, living to spend over 50 million. Rumor.
Sure.
Well done to the point. I think I'm moving. I don't want to be negative with that move.
100%. It's a good move. If it does well, they could go to Europe. Let's go to Bafana Bafana. We have Angola, we have Zimbabwe in the group, we have Egypt as well, and there's Bafana Bafana. Now, HIV Bafana Bafana now is a psychological problem. Yoguti, by the time of Angola, they expect you to be bigger than them because you've been doing well in Africa so far with AFCON. So you're going to have tough matches. There's no easy match. Zimbabwe si Shaile recently, even last year, different qualifiers, we shy Zimbabwe. When you play Egypt, even they respect you because you were the semi-finals last time. So all of these matches are tough. However, you expect to go to Gule 4, you might get 3 points. You only need 3 points to qualify for the next round. True. How do you look at this group against these 4 teams?
Yeah, it's not going to be easy. China, we play these friendlies with the weak countries, and we get carried away. True. That's why we played draw with Nigeria. And I'm sure a coach, it was a test for him. We needed some of even our players psychological. I don't think they were prepared to go in Nigeria. Nigerians wanted that game more. And
they had to qualify. At that time, they needed to win to qualify.
The group is not going to be easy. I need to be honest. There's no game. Zimbabwe is really sharp. I suspect Zimbabwean players, international players, they were not there. Bonke.
They were there.
But I don't think Bonke.
They were there. I remember.
But the mindset
was there. Marvelous Nakamba was there. There was a lot of Zimbabwean players who were there who were playing overseas. And in Zimbabwe recently, I think in the last 5 matches, we were cleaning the floor with them.
But the mindset of Zimbabwe, the friendly game that we played against Zimbabwe, that we were playing like a tournament.
Oh no, that was Zambia. Recently, it was the last one was Zambia, the last friendly. There were no international players in that one.
I'm talking about the Zimbabwe. When I watch a game, and it's so good to see this Zimbabwe. And when I check the players, most of the team, they are it's Scotland, they are Kamapilat, most of knowledge, most of the players, but international rare. But now, and it's so good to see them. Zimbabwe, they're going to be difficult for us.
In this 4, this is how you look at it. And each group, you have to look at it this way. In this 4, South Africa is not the weakest in that four.
Yeah, true.
And Kupuma 3 possibly. Kupuma 1, 200%. If you win one game, you are getting out of that group
Yeah.
to Ila 16. And the way South Africa should look at it is, I don't think Egypt is going to beat South Africa. Not to go to Sobashaya, but it's difficult for North Africans ever since the last 5 years. When they play against us, let's style Sabo, they struggle to beat us because they want to go wide cross. But anyways, let me give you the platform to tell me what, in the audience, what do you think Bafana's chances are? Kalengwe group, and then where can we go if Siapume group?
Yeah, but they will win one game, true. But we will remain number 2. Yeah, but Egypt is very strong. They've got Mohamed Salah, one of the best players around the world. No man has seen, but take nothing away, the guy is a chief.
He's a global superstar.
Yo, we like it or no, no.
He's a superstar.
Yeah, he's superstar. Also, look at the team here, but it's European players. They play similar like Europeans, how they play.
Yeah.
Egyptians. And very dangerous team. And it's going to be difficult when we play against them. But about Angola, we can beat them. Angola and Zimbabwe, yes, we can beat them. But 3 point, yes. Qualifying, yes, true.
Yeah, it's easy. This
Yeah,
our fun at Dala, because Dala you have to be number 1 and number 2.
Yeah.
So now there's more teams. Even Nagui World Cup, actually, good chance you go to if you're number 3. You can get to the knockout stages.
Yeah.
All of these tournaments, the bigger they make them, the more teams are supposed to go to the knockout.
Yeah.
So Mangabu number 3, it's easier for you to go to knockout. But Ugozuba number 3, you need 1 win at least. Melushaye is Zimbabwe or Angola, one of them.
Yeah, Zimbabwe, yes. So Zimbabwe and Angola, we're going to beat one of them. Yes, 3 point will. Yeah, we will qualify. In fact, I'll be honest, but we're not go number 1. Probably 1 or 2, 2 or 3. So but number 1 it will be Egypt in our group.
Yeah, and then where else can we go then? Obviously, we don't know who we're going to play Masfiagula 16, but how far? Because the country is expecting, I don't agree with the people in the country who think we're going to win the AFCON, but I don't think that we're going to get out in the group. Somewhere in between that, we can land last 16. If we get a strong opponent, quarterfinal, strong opponent, semi-final, it will be difficult. The more Kobe group in, you might get a very strong opponent. I don't think we are the best team in Africa in terms of as a country. Where do you think, if Maspumago group, how far can we land?
Yeah, go last 16 will go, true. We'll win our first game last 16. Quarterfinal will also Pumago.
Depending on who we meet in the
quarterfinal. It's going to be tough. Whoever that will go to quarterfinal is will be shit or zonke. Because truly speaking, I'm a country lapper, they fought for to be there. Aksuguti, they're hosting and stuff. No, it's going to be difficult. Very, very difficult, honestly. Yes, group stage is Puma. Last 16 will win. Quarterfinal is going to be difficult. Whoever that we're going to meet, it's going to be very, very difficult. I mean, credit to Pirates and Sundowns, they played the measure. Especially Pirates has come in Jerry recently. Yeah. Pirates compliment for making a national team. Ibe like on World Cup. Yeah, the Pirates raised their hands.
Yeah, both of them actually.
Yeah,
both of them deserve credit.
Yeah, but I need to just say Sundowns been a while.
Both of them deserve credit because every year Sundowns, whatever is happening currently, Sundowns is formidable.
Yeah.
Remember that every year semi-final, final AFCON, and those players they get to fight amongst the best.
Yeah.
CAF Champions League,
semi-final,
final, even the last May, June, the final. The Champions League, both of them, even the Pirates who in the semi-final, with Champions League, it was important. It is that level because if Babel with PSL, they will never understand their strength. If they play Africa, they can see we're getting better. Yeah. We're getting better.
My point is, Sundowns is obvious. I mean, they are the one who started this thing in Champions League by Tate Saras.
Sure.
I know with Pirates won it in '94, but Sundowns coming out more than recently.
Yeah, every year.
In fact, more than 7 times they compete, whether they win or not.
Yeah.
They compete. So sometimes there's no question about. But compliment to Pirates. There's a team Tina Nani. We're going to help the national team coach for a selection.
Make it so easy.
Now, Champions League they're competing recently. Every year they are there. Well done to Orlando Pirates. That's why how many trophies they win per season. And always they're competing for Petwe Premiership. And Batolagala with Champions League, well done to Orlando Pirates. And how many players? 9 of them, Balapagu National. By a compliment, Mamle Sundowns, which is Andlaza Kezan. And Jobangisho just going back there. Goma group stages of Puma, last 16 years, so winner. Quarterfinal is going to be difficult for us. Ula Puma corner for me.
So you are crushing the dreams of a lot of people at home. Abantu bankaya bafuna win AFCON.
We need to be realistic. I need to make this face reality. We're going to play against the best here. I know we might say yes, this teams that we're playing against with Champions League, they go wide. They will mix international players and local players. And national teams, it's going to be difficult. And a tournament here. Remember, we know
anything can actually happen.
Yeah.
Masongena ku knockout even now ungaphuma.
Yeah.
Ucabanga ukuthi uzokhipha abanye.
Yeah.
Now ungaphuma in one game there's a penalty you concede.
Yeah.
VAR says it's a penalty and you're out.
Ronan Williams phela ku-AFCON usebenzile.
Yeah, last time,
Ntebogo Mokoena.
Yeah.
You might say we competed. True. Yes, Mokoena played a major role. Mina ngisasho Ronan Williams. A couple of players they played, but goalkeepers not deal with their tournament with the Strebo Champions League. Yes, Abafana played, but Masangaba never against Lengwenya Lise, Cape Verde or what?
Yeah, Cape Verde, we went to penalties.
We're so lucky
was a
because that
quarterfinal.
their game means cool for us.
Yeah.
In Kulmangalesa, more or less they play similar like Brazilian. They are very technical, very good. Being interested with how they. So now we're going to meet such opposition. So now, Ronwe Nageko on top of his game for me. I need to be realistic. It's only I'm a player that I can rely individual. In fact, just go nje. Quarter final gula spumakon.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That's Bafana. We're going to the African Cup of Nations. Of course, even ourselves will be in Morocco just for one match. But here, on the day that Bafana are playing Egypt, we will be in Morocco. Here, Shane will be here. Ulindo will be here. Ubobo will be here. We might get someone else to help us as well here at home just to make sure that there's videos. And of course, we'll be shooting videos that side as well. So we're looking forward to the African Cup of Nations. And I suppose even the country, for the first time in a long time, there's an expectation that comes with it. It is Good Times, was suspecting.
Shapunjan Bafwetu Kamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafwetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.